Hello friends, today we will be doing this reading passage that is bringing Cheneman to Europe. Okay, this is the passage that we have, that is passage 1 test 2 Cambridge 13, and these are the paragraphs which is given on the first page, 3 paragraph and another 4 paragraph on the second page, and we are going to do the question as we have already completed the fill in the blanks. Now we will be doing the question number 11 of true false not given, as we have already done the other true and false not given in my other videos. You can check, and this is what we have. The question number 11, it shows the Dutch took over the Chinaman trade from the Portuguese as soon as they arrived in Canyon. So here the name of the place is Canyon and the civilization name to be Dutch, who took over the Chimenian trade from Portuguese. It means that Portuguese were the king of Chinaman and their trade was taken over by Dutch as they arrived to Canyon. Okay, so let's see where we will get this answer. There is some clue which is mentioned here as the name of the place Canyon, Dutch, okay, took over Portuguese. So these are some of the points, some of the clues where we can get the answer. So we go back to the passage paragraph where we can see this particular thing. On the first page, first paragraph, if we look, we don't get any clue for this. Second paragraph, no. On the third paragraph, continuation to the second page, third paragraph, no, we are not getting the answer. But on the second page, second paragraph, we will get the clue. On the first line, it is mentioned, see, it is mentioned here, when the Dutch arrived off the coast of southern Asia at the very beginning of 17th century. Here it is what mentioned, when Dutch arrived off the coast of southern Asia in the very beginning of 17th century. 17th century, it means after 1600 to before 1630. They set their sight on displacing the Portuguese as the king of Chinaman. It means they have set themselves as a king of Chinaman. Okay, so Dutch arrived from in the coast of southern Asia, while in that particular question what it is mentioned, that Dutch arrived to Canyon, so it is not mentioned here. If we go to the third line, it is mentioned the Dutch aligned themselves with Kandy as the island kingdom of Canyon. So if we look for the king of Chinaman, it is mentioned that they displaced, okay, and they arrived in Southeast Asia, not Canyon. So we go back to the question and we'll read the question again and we will get the answer what it will be. So as we read question number 11, what it is mentioned, the Dutch took over the Caliman trade from Portuguese as soon as they arrived on Canyon, while it is mentioned they arrived in southern East Asia. Okay, so this answer will be false as it is given something different, and they have, it is mentioned here that they took over the trade of Cheniman, while in the paragraph it is mentioned that they replaced the king of Cheniman. So okay, not trade, so the answer will be false. So you are going to do this paragraph, this true false not given, by understanding the question and mentioning your answer in capital letters in the answer sheet. So in answer in the row where 11 is mentioned, you will write false in capital letters. Okay.